Hey, Adam here, and today I want to show you the Yost Utility Bench Vise Apprentice series. There are 5 different sizes of this vise: the 445, 4.5 inch, 455, 5.5 inch, 460, 6 inch, 465, 6.5 inch, and the big 480, 8 inch version. Those sizes all refer to their jaw length, so the bigger the projects you're working on, the bigger one you'll need. Other than that, let me go over all the features that these share. First, what makes this a utility vise? Well, these offer 2 sets of jaws: replaceable hardened steel serrated top jaws and permanent serrated pipe jaws. This means you can hold down pipes, steel, or wood in a variety of shapes and sizes. When working on those items, you'll be happy that these feature a 360-degree swivel base with 2 lockdowns allowing for precise and secure positioning. This way you can spin the part you're working on in every direction and it won't move on you. On the front, you get a nice no-pinch screw handle with 2 rubber grommets that avoid the handle from sliding into any unwanted positions. Finally, these all come with a large Anvil work surface as well, which is perfect for hammering, bending, or working your project into just the right shape. And you'll know it's strong because it's backed by 30,000 PSI cast gray iron with steel U-channel bar construction. For more information on this vise or any other vices we sell, click the link in the description or at the end of this video.